Imagine making a cinematic short, Bugatti, character, full production with one prompt and one click. No editing apps, no freelancers. Stay with me for 90 seconds and I'll show you how that's possible. Let me start with a real example so you can immediately see what this tool can do. I'm going to generate a cinematic Bugatti clip using just one prompt. No editing, no timelines, no extra tools. This matters because it's instant visual proof. You're not watching a polished demo, you're watching a raw, one prompt, result. If you want to test this yourself, check the description for the demo link and any current offers or trials. Okay, so let's take a look at what we got.
Where precision meets power. Engineering without compromise. Bugatti, beyond performance.
Yeah, I love it. Now, let's quickly look at the platform itself. This is the entire workflow. A prompt box, a generate button, and presets if you want guidance. There's no stitching together multiple apps, no exporting files, no switching tabs. This is built for speed. One prompt, one click, one result. That's why this works so well for trend-driven creators. When something is trending, you don't have time for complex workflows. Let's do this again from zero so you can see the full workflow. I type the prompt, hit generate, and wait. This part is important. Nothing here is pre-rendered or staged. The turnaround time fits perfectly with shorts, reels, and TikTok posting schedules. If you're publishing daily or reacting to trends, this kind of speed is the difference between being early or being late. So let's take a look at this one.
Freedom calls, where every moment becomes golden. The journey never ends.
Now, this is where ViralCut goes beyond basic AI video tools. You're not locked into randomness. You can structure scenes, you can keep characters consistent and edit individual parts, for brands, agencies, and freelancers. This is pretty huge because predictability equals safety. Once you build a template, you can reuse it again and again. That's how teams scale output without increasing the workload. And at the same time, tools like this remove the traditional barriers and editing skills. So, no expensive equipment, no steep learning curve. AI video creation becomes accessible to anyone. Whether you're a solo creator or running content for clients, the ViralCut turns ideas into videos faster than most people can even open an editor. There are multiple ways to monetize this, from freelance promos and faceless channels to sponsored shorts and full agency packages for clients. Repurposing is built in. One generated video can quickly be turned into a 60-second short, a 30-second reel, or a 15-second ad with just a few minor edits. Brand safety is also covered. Fixed characters and reusable scene templates help keep client assets consistent, polished, and on brand every time. And for maximum efficiency, build a prompt library and scene templates once. It can easily cut your production time in half as you scale. If you want to try this yourself, click the link in the description to open the ViralCut demo. Use one prompt, one click, and generate a short video in minutes. Then deploy it for a client, a sponsored short or your own channel.